Hi lesson bankers! Okay, today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and fix your PLB if you ever are having a hard time using it. So this is the Express PLB, the paid version. This is what to do if you ever something's wrong with it and you don't know how to fix it. So the very first thing and most important thing is just make sure your schedule maker tab is the first tab in your PLB. Second should be the schedule maker auto format, but that one doesn't matter as much as the first one needs to be the schedule maker. Secondly, make sure you're using Chrome. It will work on other ones, but it works the very best on Chrome. Also, just make sure your cache and cookies are cleared and you've restarted your computer recently. Sometimes you'd be surprised how often once people just will restart their computer or clear their cache and cookies and open Chrome again, it'll start working again, because we're getting updates constantly from, like, your computer is putting out updates, your Chrome is putting out updates, everything, and so sometimes you just need a little refresh. But if it's in the first tab, you're on Chrome, you've reset your computer and it's still not working, and maybe you deleted something or it just got messed up, or you deleted your call, you just don't know, but it's not working, this is what to do. So open up your personal lesson bank. This is mine, Sarah's lesson bank. And then open up the original Express personal lesson bank. And you know that by Express personal lesson bank, original read only. Open that one up too. And this is what you want to do. You want to first come over to the original, and you're going to find the schedule maker tab down here at the bottom, and you're going to right click. This little thing will pop up and you're going to select copy to. When we click copy to, it'll open up all your files. So if you come to recent, because you just opened your personal lesson bank, it'll probably be the first one there. If not, just type the name of your personal lesson bank in here and it'll find the document. So select it and then click select, and it's going to copy this sheet into the one you just told it to. So if you see it, it'll come up as the very last one. So see, copy of schedule maker. So then we want to do the same thing with the formatting tab. Right click, copy to, recent, select, and it's going to copy it over here as well. Okay, now we're done with the original. I'm going to move it out of the way so it's just not in our way, and make my personal lesson bank bigger now. So what you are going to want to do is you want to delete your old or broken one first. So come to your first tab, right click, and delete. Are you sure? I'm sure. And then delete your formatting tab, delete. Sure? I'm sure. So now you don't have one technically there anymore. So I want to come here and I want to rename them. So I want to double click on the tab and just get rid of this copy of, because I want it to be named schedule maker. And the same thing with here. Double click and delete the copy of. And it's really important that the schedule maker's name is schedule maker and it's the first tab. The formulas work based off of that. So that one tab is the only one that really matters where it is. But you should think of the schedule maker formatting tab as a sister tab to it. So just keep it right next to it. So just come down here. There, good. So now I have my schedule maker, named schedule maker as the first tab, schedule maker auto format as the second one. And now it will work. And you didn't have to get rid of your my classes tab or anything else that you've added in. But this will refresh, reset, and everything will work. There is one last step though. When you're in your schedule maker tab, there are, on both the schedule maker, you notice these arrows, and the formatting tab, there's a row hidden, and that's the formula row that's hidden. So on the schedule maker format tab, come and click the bottom arrow so it opens it, and if you can see there's a reference error. It's because it's not finding the schedule maker one, but all you have to do to fix that is double click in the cell once and it'll fix, and then you just can click out and it's fixed. So that's all you have to do is open it and double click once on it and it'll fix it. Then you just right click, select that whole row again, number 2, right click it and hide it. Come down here to hide row. And then you're working. That's all you have to do. And your ship shape perfect, nothing's wrong. It'll all work perfectly. And you can do that same copy to get any of them. If you want to come get the trials one, because I update that sometimes. Anytime you need a refresher from the original, that's all you have to do is go to the tab, right click, copy to, and select your file under recent, because you could just recently opened it, and it'll copy it to your PLB. So that's your quick and easy fix. I hope this helps a lot. It really helps with updating and when things change, or if you just